Step beyond conventional instruments with a design built for fluid creativity and portable performance. This is not just a tool, it's a gateway to musical spontaneity, where your touch becomes the music. Glide across the responsive fingerboard to arpeggiate, tap to unleash chords, or shift between 7 and 21 chord modes with precision. Every interaction is intuitive, with customizable mapping that lets you tailor the fingerboard to your playstyle. The Petite Forêt Plus Tropical Moss Terrarium offers a seamless blend of nature and technology. This innovative terrarium features full app control for managing growth, lighting, and watering, providing a convenient way to care for your plants. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or new to indoor gardening, this terrarium simplifies the process with its intuitive features. The system allows you to easily monitor and adjust the environment for your tropical moss, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. In the palm of your hand, the amzn.to R150 transforms any flat surface or ceiling into a cinematic canvas. The built-in battery offers up to 4 hours of continuous film playback or 7 hours of uninterrupted music, making it ideal for long flights, impromptu backyard showings, or off-grid weekends. It delivers a true 100-inch display without needing a massive setup, offering immersive visuals even in small rooms or tight spaces. Step out of the steam and into something better, where every scrub reinvents your skin. The Body Scrubber 2.0 isn't just another shower tool, it's a full-body upgrade. Infused with natural charcoal and ground walnut shell, it delivers exfoliation that reaches deep, restoring clarity and smoothness without a single synthetic ingredient. Biodegradable by design, it's crafted from 100% natural materials that break down gently with time, never harming the planet. The Cooper Cooler Rapid Beverage and Wine Bottle Chiller is the ultimate solution for quickly chilling beverages in your home bar or dorm. Its automatic touchpad offers a seamless user experience, making it easy to use with just the press of a button. This chiller is designed to cool your drinks in minutes, thanks to its innovative ice and water system that efficiently lowers the temperature of bottles and cans. Whether you need to chill sodas, beer, or wine, the Cooper Cooler ensures your beverages are ready to enjoy without the wait. Sleek surfaces deserve better than smudges. Jiffy's step up as precision cleaners, small but powerful pads designed to banish fingerprints, oily streaks, and smears from the places you touch most. Whether it's a stainless steel fridge, a foggy bathroom mirror, your smartphone screen, or glasses, Jiffy's handle the job without scratching or leaving residue. Slide into seamless control without touching your screen. This refined, open-ended smart ring adapts to every finger, no matter the size. Say goodbye to rigid rings and hello to comfort engineered for all-day wear. Whether your fingers swell after a workout or shrink in cold weather, this elastic design ensures a snug, stable fit. More than just a ring, it's a gesture-powered command center. Scroll through ebooks, adjust volume like short videos, or flip through presentation slides without reaching for your phone. The Brava oven redefines convenience with its all-in-one functionality, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. With over 8,000 customizable cooking programs, this smart oven lets you cook a wide variety of dishes with ease. Whether you're preparing a simple meal of chicken wings and vegetables or crafting a pizza, the oven's one-touch programs take the guesswork out of cooking. Plus, you can cook multiple ingredients at once, saving time and effort. This versatile appliance serves as an air fryer, roaster, baker, and even a slow cooker. For those who demand precision, power, and multi-process capability in one compact unit, this 9-in-1 welder and cutter meets the challenge. Engineered for reliability in high-stakes workshops or rugged garage setups, it supports MIG, FCAW, HF-TIG, Lift-TIG, MMA, and plasma cutting with seamless transitions. Whether fabricating metal frames, repairing auto panels, or slicing through thick steel plates, this machine handles it all with confidence. Weighing just under 38 pounds and housed in a rugged shell, it offers portability without sacrificing strength. Designed for those who demand comfort without compromising on portability, the Argo Twister reimagines what an ergonomic mouse can be. Its vertical form reshapes your interaction with technology, guiding your hand into a naturally upright posture that promotes movement from the arm instead of the wrist. The rounded structure, combined with intentional thumb and pinky support, delivers a stable and effortless grip throughout long work sessions. Engineered with flexibility in mind, the Argo Twister suits both left and right-handed users. Step into a realm where technology and ambiance converge to elevate your living space. Xzoi One. Designed to transform how you interact with light, Xzoi One combines advanced AI features with artistic design to craft a truly immersive environment. With a sleek, futuristic aesthetic, it turns any room into a haven of endless possibilities. At the heart of Xzoi One is its groundbreaking AI-powered lighting system, which tailors the environment to match your moods, music, and personal preferences. From its innovative interior design to its streamlined silhouette, the Ghazni Arc redefines what a gas pizza oven should be. This high-performance oven blends tradition with cutting-edge engineering, anchored by its revolutionary lateral gas burner. The removable 20mm stone floor stores and radiates heat with remarkable consistency, while dual-layer insulation locks in temperatures that soar to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, batch after batch. Under starlit skies or sunny backyards, a round fire turns any setting into a gathering. This compact powerhouse delivers grilling, cooking, and a cozy fire pit all in one, ready to go in just 30 seconds. Built for ease and impact, the Around Fire grill table combines stainless steel strength with thoughtful portability, making it the ultimate companion for patios, campgrounds, tailgates, or beachside dinners. The KitchenAid Artisan Series stand mixer is a versatile powerhouse that brings precision and style to your kitchen. Crafted from durable zinc and stainless steel, this appliance offers a blend of reliability and elegance. It operates on 120 volts with a 250-watt motor and provides 10 speeds to tackle any task, from gentle mixing to vigorous kneading. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl features a comfortable handle, making it easy to handle large batches. Engineered for exceptional pool cleaning performance, the Aper Seagull Pro sets a new standard with its cutting-edge design and advanced technology. The Seagull Pro's 200-watt peak power output makes it the most powerful cordless robotic pool cleaner on the market, delivering impressive suction strength and thorough cleaning across various pool surfaces. Equipped with a high-capacity 7,800 mAh battery, the Seagull Pro provides an industry-leading 150-minute runtime. Few travel machines blur the boundaries between land, water, and shelter quite like the Triton. Born from a bold vision of eco-adventure, this 3-in-1 amphibious marvel merges the comforts of a micro-camper with the mobility of an electric boat and trike. Designed to seat two and built to tread softly across terrain and tides, the Triton redefines how we connect with nature, silently, sustainably, and without limits. Built for creators who move fast and think bigger, the Lancer 300 redefines mobile gear with purpose-driven design. Housing a 336 watt-hour power station at its core, this modular backpack delivers serious power on the go, whether you're editing drone footage on a mountain trail or charging a camera mid-ride. The fully detachable design adapts in seconds, letting you drop weight or reconfigure for daily carry, adventure mode, or production-ready loadouts. The Zen X Carbon Foldable Seat is designed to offer exceptional comfort and support while ensuring easy portability and long-lasting durability. Featuring a larger seating area with soft memory foam padding, this seat provides a high level of comfort that improves your posture, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or long hours spent sitting. The addition of a pocket allows for convenient storage of small items, keeping your essentials close at hand. A workspace doesn't need to be static. The Lifespan Ampera Desk Bike fuses movement with productivity, transforming long office hours into active, power-generating sessions. Featuring a 2-inch thick seat made from high-density molded foam and wrapped in breathable fabric, it adapts to a range of heights, from 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, thanks to a pneumatic lever. This keeps your posture aligned and your energy levels steady, even during the longest stretches. The Viora dual head fan is engineered to provide a powerful and versatile cooling solution for any environment. With its innovative dual head design, it ensures 360-degree airflow, creating a consistent breeze across all areas. The 8,000 mAh battery offers extended operation, keeping you cool for hours without needing constant recharging. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, the fan's portability makes it easy to take anywhere. In a world demanding smarter workspaces, the Cyber One Sit-to-Stand desk redefines performance. Featuring a bold, modern design, it harnesses dual electric motors with a seamless single-cable system to deliver precise power, stability, and effortless adjustability. Shift effortlessly between sitting and standing with a one-touch control panel, adjusting from 29.5 inches to 47 inches with millimeter precision. A collector's display deserves more than just shelves. It needs precision, power, and purpose. The Top QM modular LED miniature storage delivers just that with 2 smartly sized configurations engineered for custom stacking and flawless illumination. Each unit is constructed using high-grade injection molded ABS, delivering automobile-level toughness without any off-putting odor. Its modular design ensures seamless expansion, allowing collectors to build vertically and securely with up to 22 adjustable height layers. Elevate your creative process with the DAPT key, a powerful tool designed for those who value efficiency and precision. With 20 fully customizable keys and 5 versatile knobs, this device provides seamless control over your workflow, allowing you to switch between up to 10 different software commands effortlessly. Its sleek OLED display offers clear, real-time feedback, ensuring you're always in the know, whether you're working on intricate designs or complex projects. Craving sushi, ramen, or dim sum but struggle with chopsticks? These innovative auto sticks remove the hassle from your favorite meals. Designed for comfort and ease, auto sticks feature a press-to-use hinge that mimics the motion of traditional chopsticks, without the steep learning curve. Whether you're grabbing slippery noodles or delicate nigiri, these tools give you full control without frustration. Made with a sleek, reusable design, auto sticks are ideal for anyone who wants to enjoy authentic Asian cuisine. In the heart of modern kitchens, efficiency meets cleanliness with the revolutionary Capsule Solo 2.0, a compact powerhouse that redefines dishwashing. Designed for those with limited space but zero compromise on hygiene, this unit delivers powerful cleaning while fitting right into your lifestyle. Unlike scrubbing with a bacteria-laden sponge or soaking dishes in lukewarm water, Capsule Solo 2.0 heats water to a sterilizing 167 degrees Fahrenheit, destroying germs far beyond the limits of what human hands can endure. In the ever-changing rhythm of urban streets, protection and intelligence must ride hand in hand. Enter Lumos Nixel, a revolutionary e-bike helmet engineered for riders who demand more than just safety. But Nixel isn't just bright, it's brilliantly aware. Integrated with Quinn-powered crash detection, this helmet becomes your silent guardian. It automatically senses impacts and can alert your emergency contacts instantly. The 10.4 Tech provides a versatile solution for those needing reliable, organized gear storage and easy accessibility. With its bucket-style access, you can reach into any section with ease, allowing for quick retrieval of equipment or supplies. Its 360-degree reach makes it incredibly efficient, ensuring that every part of the pack is within arm's length. This design also supports an ultra-organized setup, giving you dedicated compartments for different items. The grab-and-go handles allow for quick lifts. The Kuxiu magnetic wireless charging stand for iPad transforms how you power up your tablet. No more tangled cables or complicated setups. With its enhanced magnetic design, it provides seamless charging with up to 18 watts of power. Simply place your iPad on the stand, connect the USB-C cable, and you're ready to go. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this stand is designed for both durability and elegance. CNC machined for precision, it boasts a frosted texture that complements your iPad Pro. Sturdy and compact, this pocket shooter punches well above its weight when it comes to clarity and control. Armed with a crisp 50-megapixel lens, it delivers sharp photos and clear video, performing confidently in both daylight and soft indoor lighting. The second camera brings up to 15 times digital zoom into the mix, letting you capture distant subjects with surprising detail. It's not just about image quality, this device is intuitive. Swipe through a streamlined interface or use its clever gesture controls for effortless snapping. The Fine Day 3.0 Aluminum Edition keyboard combines nostalgic design with modern functionality, offering a unique typing experience. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, it can pair with up to 3 wireless devices and 1 USB connection, allowing seamless multitasking. You can use both Bluetooth and USB connections simultaneously, managing up to 4 devices at once. The keyboard features an ergonomic 9.2 2-degree cradling angle, ensuring comfortable typing for long periods without straining your neck. Raw performance meets refined mobility in the all-new ROG XG Mobile, a compact juggernaut engineered for gamers and creators who demand more from every frame and port. Outfitted with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, the XG Mobile delivers jaw-dropping ray tracing, AI-powered upscaling, and next-gen acceleration for AAA games and 3D rendering alike. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. Sound and motion meet in the compact brilliance of the Haloasis A1. This wireless speaker doesn't just play music, it brings every beat to life. Featuring a cutting-edge mini-LED transparent display, the A1 visualizes lyrics in real time, turning your favorite songs into immersive visual performances. 3 high-fidelity sound units deliver rich, room-filling audio with crisp highs, deep lows, and everything in between.